So text data is just any form of writing saved to a file. There are many different file types which can contain text data, maybe docx files, txt files, PDF files, and probably loads more which don't come to my mind. And in the case of some file formats, they just contain the raw text data. So you open them and that's all you see. So for example, if we open this txt file, you can see it just contains the text data. And this is a nice format to have text data in when we want to use code to process it, because we open the file and we get straight to what we need, the text. That's all that's in there. But there are many different kind of text files like docx or PDF that can contain more than just text. So for example, if a PDF file has a nice border, then the file needs to contain the information about that border as well, or any other formatting really. Usually we don't see that raw information because our computer knows which program to use to open up the file in the format which makes sense. So for example, if I open this PDF file, my computer knows to use a PDF viewer so that it shows it in this format which PDF expects to be in. But this isn't just text in this file, right? Because it also contains some information about the fact that this font is bigger than the rest. And if we were to actually look at the raw contents of this PDF file, then you see it looks very different. It's actually got a lot more in than just the raw text. So I don't know what any of this is. And then you can see the text that you want is encoded in there somehow. So if you want to work with text in a file like this, you'd need to kind of process it out to find it. So in that case, you might need to figure out how it's formatted so you can get the text out. And that's one of the challenges with text, is that it's very unstructured. You don't know what you're going to expect to find where. Different files can be very different, but I'm sure you'll have the hang of it in no time.